Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your Instagram comment problem. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try, just close your Instagram app and just open it again. So just try open your app, and if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So mostly it happened because you have problems with your internet connection. So just open Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi network. Also, you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if it doesn't help you, just go to mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again your cellular data. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you just need to find in the general software update, just wait until it will check for updates. Just tap on download and install the latest software on your iPhone. So this is a way how you can try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.